In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a discussion group for a Telegram channel. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Want to let your subscribers comment on your Telegram channel posts? By default, channels are broadcast only, but you can instantly open up community conversations by linking a dedicated discussion group. First, open Telegram and navigate to your channel. Tap on the channel name or profile picture at the top to open the profile details. Next, tap the Edit icon, the pencil symbol, near the top right. From this settings menu, scroll down and tap on Discussion. This is where Telegram manages your linked community chat. If you don't have a group yet, you need to create it first. But if you already have an existing group that you want to use instead, you can simply select it from the list of your groups right here. Once linked, any new post you publish on your channel will automatically feature a Leave a Comment button at the bottom. You can also manage the discussion group just like any other Telegram group. Add administrators, update permissions, moderate conversations, and adjust group settings to keep discussions organized and welcoming for your members. Using a discussion group is a great way to build engagement while keeping your channel focused on announcements and content. It gives your audience a dedicated place to ask questions, leave feedback, and interact with other members without cluttering the main channel. And that's all there is to it. That's how to create a discussion group for a Telegram channel. Once your discussion group is linked, your community can start engaging with your channel posts in a more interactive and organized way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.